Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Good Food app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Good Food is a recipe finder app that helps users discover, save, and organize recipes from a wide range of sources. The app allows you to search by ingredients, cuisine type, or dietary preferences. It also lets you create shopping lists, plan meals, and save favorite recipes in collections for easy access later. Personalized recommendations help you explore new dishes and keep your cooking interesting. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the app's clean interface, fast navigation, and the ability to find recipes quickly. Meal planning features like shopping lists and weekly planning make it convenient for home cooks. Many users also enjoy organizing their recipes into collections and using the app to track their cooking habits. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some features, like full access to certain recipes and advanced filters, require a subscription, which might not be affordable for everyone. Occasionally, user-submitted recipes may vary in quality, and there can be minor glitches in syncing across devices. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Good Food app may be worth using if you're a home cook looking for recipe inspiration, meal planning tools, and a way to organize your favorite recipes. It excels in discovery, organization, and personalization. However, if you're not ready to subscribe or prefer professionally curated recipes only, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.